Hello and welcome to this video article on how to make money with stockbroking. Stockbroking is the process of buying and selling stocks on behalf of clients. As a stockbroker, your main job is to help clients make informed decisions about which stocks to invest in and when to buy or sell them. In this article, we'll cover some of the basics of stockbroking, including: what is stockbroking? How do stockbrokers make money? Tips for success in stockbroking. So, let's get started. What is stockbroking? As we mentioned earlier, stockbroking is the process of buying and selling stocks on behalf of clients. This can be done through a variety of channels, including online platforms, over-the-phone trades, or in-person transactions. As a stockbroker, your main job is to help clients navigate the complex world of investing in the stock market. This involves analyzing market trends, evaluating the financial health of companies, and making informed recommendations to clients about which stocks to invest in. How do stockbrokers make money? Stockbrokers make money through commissions and fees charged on transactions. When a client buys or sells a stock through a stockbroker, the stockbroker receives a commission based on the value of the transaction. In addition to commissions, stockbrokers may also charge fees for account management or other services. It's important to note that stockbrokers are not fiduciaries, which means they are not legally required to act in the best interests of their clients. This can sometimes lead to conflicts of interest, where a stockbroker may recommend a stock or investment product that is not in the client's best interest. Tips for success in stockbroking. Now that we've covered the basics of stockbroking and how stockbrokers make money, let's talk about some tips for success in this field. Build a strong network. Stockbroking is a relationship-driven business. Building a strong network of clients and industry contacts is key to success. Stay up to date on market trends. The stock market is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments. This can involve reading industry publications, attending conferences and seminars, and networking with other professionals in the field. Develop strong analytical skills. Stockbrokers need to be able to analyze market trends, evaluate the financial health of companies, and make informed recommendations to clients. Developing strong analytical skills is essential to success in this field. Focus on building long-term relationships. While stockbrokers make money through commissions and fees on transactions, building long-term relationships with clients is key to success. By providing high-quality service and advice, stockbrokers can earn the trust and loyalty of their clients, leading to repeat business and referrals. Emphasize ethical behavior. As a stockbroker, it's important to act ethically and in the best interests of your clients. By putting your clients first, you can build a reputation for integrity and trustworthiness, which is essential to long-term success in this field. Conclusion. Stockbroking can be a rewarding and lucrative career for those with a passion for finance and investing. By building a strong network, staying up to date on market trends, developing strong analytical skills, focusing on building long-term relationships, and emphasizing ethical behavior, stockbrokers can set themselves up for success in this field. Thanks for watching and happy stockbroking. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.